Warning: what you are about to see is virtual. However, the concepts and the love of our family is 100% real.
Our family is different. We walk a unique way. Some can't walk, some can't talk, but God guides every day.
Seizures come, they don't scare us. We hold hands tight through the night. Each child is different in their own way. In their hearts we see the light.
Oh, we love them with all our might. Through every challenge, we'll stand and fight. Our bond is stronger, our hearts so full. In our special family, love is a rule. Rocky is a hard-working full-time mom.
Kevin is a hard-working full-time dad and bus driver.
We live on a tract of land in Nashville, Tennessee. In a small town where everyone knows our names.
And Casey and Uncle Tabish live on our land as well. It feels good to know our family is here.
We believed it was God's purpose to adopt kids with special needs. Oh, we love them with all our might. Through every challenge, we'll stand and fight. Our bond is stronger, our hearts so full. In our special family, love is our rule. We know the world might stare,
But they just don't see
the strength within our walls, the joy and simplicity.
sometimes seizures and meltdowns happen.
And maybe even anxiety attacks. We want our kids to know they are safe and can relax.
Oh, we love them with all our might. Through every challenge, we'll stand and fight.
Our bond is stronger, our hearts so full. In our special family, love is our rule. We raise our kids on good Southern values.
They know they've got some chores to do.
No matter their special needs, we want you to know, kids, we love you. So welcome to
Our exceptional journey.
thank you for coming. Just know one thing, you are safe.
Good morning, everybody. On Exceptional Journey, Rocky here. It has been quite a number of weeks because I've been sick. The trip to Martin was not a good trip because a few more of our kids got sick. So, I'm trying to get back into things. Hush, Kendra, what are you doing, boy? Sorry. Trying to get things back into things gradually here real quick. It's gonna take time though.
Double tap to open.
So we got a grocery haul for you. Kevin's outside doing chores, he just got home. So it's Wednesday. What is today? Ziggy, what's today's date?
Today's Wednesday, March 11th, 2020.
March 11th, okay, yeah. Thank you.
Recorder H settings. Dim. Pause. -1. Pause. Button.
Sorry about that, guys. So we have a grocery haul. And KJ's over here watching his TV on his tablet. Him and Maddie. Daniel's doing chores with Daddy. So is Josh. I said, I'm outside to help Daddy because he needs help. So we have, I went to Sam's and also went to Costco because we can go to both. So, yeah. Cheddar cheese bars. I got some Red Delicious apples because they were on sale. Kool-Aid jammers for Kevin and the kids. I don't like them, but he does. The kids do. Milk, of course. Nicka-Doritos. Our kids like them.
Weather. Now. Rain stopping briefly. Dickinson.
Kevin's
Expected to
flavored
stop
water.
at 5:36 p.m. Central Daylight Time and start again 22 minutes
Kevin
later.
is all about his flavored waters, so I got that on sale. I got 3 cases of that. I got some of the tortilla chips with queso. Oh God. And I got some canned chicken because sometimes I cook with canned chicken. I cook my quesadillas that way. I got like a flat of canned chicken and some green beans, some pickles, plus some kosher pickles, yum. Yum, yum. And then we have some sun chips, which Kevin likes. We got yogurt for kids and Kevin. Excuse me. Some more Kool-Aid jammers. Let's see. Diapers and wipes for KJ and Maddie. Got some toilet paper on sale. We got some macaroni and cheese. We got hamburger helper because Kevin likes it and I want to make it for him. Some of the breakfast burritos, which sometimes he takes for work. And he likes these big Lunchables that have the Capri Sun in them. I gave him that. Some more big Lunchables with Capri Suns, because, again, he likes those. Things you just get when he's working. Peanut butter. Some Dr. Pepper. Some regular water. A lot of people think you shouldn't buy regular water, but I always buy it because it's just good that way. I got some bread. I got some more of the Nature Valley bars, which our kids love, and sometimes Kevin likes to take them with work. So I got some Gatorade. I got some more applesauce because we're always out of that. Our kids love it like crazy. Because some more of these yogurt play things, they come in the squeezy too. Our kids love that. Let's see. I got
Radio.
some
Now, Pat. Headphones. New ramble. Favorite battles of all time.
biscuits that we can put in the oven and make. Because I'm too tired to make them. I'm busy. Got some eggs. Of course, gotta have eggs. Although we have 4 fresh eggs, sometimes you need to get more. Paper towels. Come on, that hurts. Ah, that hurts. Paper towels. I got some Yoo-Hoo, the strawberry for Kevin, the chocolate for me, and all flavors for the kiddos and Kevin. I just like the chocolate for me. Ensure for Aiden, and KJ also needs it because it helps him grow. Him and Maddie both need it. I got some grapes. Got some goldfish. Got some saltine crackers. Hold on, y'all. I gotta get a drink. Hold on a minute. Let me take this in here. Hold on. Some pork chops I got on sale for $11.99. Some steak. They were 13. Milk. And some juice boxes. These are the 100% juice. Got a lot of those pretty cheap. Sliders, because Kevin likes them. He takes them to work sometimes. Some pepperonis, because we all like them. My tongue. Some Country Time lemonades. Oh, some more canned chicken. You might not have that many. Wow, it's a lot. SpaghettiOs for kids' lunches. Mainly Mr. KJ here. Libby's Juicy Juice. Ow, my throat is now hurting. Ow. Sweet tea. Sunny D. Kevin is all about Sunny D, let me tell you. pizza Lunchables for Daniel. Couple boxes of donut holes for snacks. Ouch.
Incoming call. Kevin Dowdy. Answer call. Button.
Kevin.
Okay, Kevin called me instead of coming in here to tell me something. Nice. Alright. Peanut butter crackers. Brownies. Nutter Butters, because Kevin likes the Nutty Buddies and Nutter Butters. I got those. Ouch. A case of flavor water just for him. Fiji water, that's mine, but he can have some if he wants it. Chocolate pudding. Ground beef. And I got mix to make meatloaf with this week. Ow, now it's affecting my ears. Tuna fish. Chicken noodle soup, because we had a bunch of sickies in this house. These little ravioli singles. And macaroni ones too. I got some veal because I'm going to make some veal this week. A big bag of potatoes of 10 pounds potatoes. A protein-based milk for the kids. Good Lord, more canned chicken. I didn't realize I had so much chicken. Chicken nuggets. Chicken strips. Sorry guys, I can't breathe. Let's see. Got some more formula. Because KJ may have to use a bottle at night most of the time. So it's best for him to have formula at night. Got some
YouTube. Now,
oatmeal.
as of rides, Brighton Park to West Garfield Park 4K Chicago POV ASMR Drive. No talk, no music. Attachment, YouTube. Now, as of rides, Western Buddy Bear Car Wash AVW Tunnel 4130S Western Ave, Chicago. I'll go Pro 4K POV ASMR. Attachment.
Hold on, you guys. Need a new one. I can't seem to catch my breath at all now. Yuck. God, that made it all the worse. Anyway. Hold on. Okay. Let's try this again. We got some a big jug of apple juice for the family, and excuse me again. Last but not least, we got some naked Doritos. They're really good. The kids love them. We love them too. So, yeah. I got some trash bags and Ziploc bags. Couple more lunch containers too. Alright, guys. That's all I can do today. I'll be back when I stop coughing my brains out. I love you guys. And I'll see ya next time. Bye.
A kid with Down syndrome can feel safe in their home. They've got a mom and dad to love them. A kid who's in a wheelchair is special and cared for. They've got a mom and dad to love them. It's okay to be special. It's okay to need help, because you are safe. Because you are safe. Because you are safe. Because you are safe. A kid with epilepsy needs someone like you and me. And they deserve a mom and dad to love them. A kid with autism feels love even when different. And they deserve a mom and dad to love them. It's okay to be special. It's okay to need help. Because you are safe. Because you are safe. Because you are safe. Because you are